Hi friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. Today in this video, I am going to talk to you all about pure sciences education in India. I will talk about qualities which a candidate should possess in order to pursue pure sciences. I will talk to you about the degree options available in India, eligibility criteria for most of the courses, entrance exams which are there at the national level for getting into a pure sciences course, and what professions one can pursue or continue after finishing a degree option post grade 12 in India. So let's start with the quality check for the pure sciences. First and foremost quality which I require in a candidate is he or she should be academic oriented. Whether the child is people oriented or not does not matter, creative oriented or not does not matter, but needs to be academic oriented. Second, the child needs to be good with mathematics and other sciences, which may include physics, chemistry, biology, with inclination towards research. The child should have interest in exploring machines, gadgets, repairing things, or on the other part should have interest in botany, plants, animals, life sciences, and so on. Along with that, the child should have ability to spend long hours with books and or computers, not only during the study but also during the research once one gets into the profession. The degrees which are available in India in the area of pure sciences include BSc, which can be in the specialization of anthropology, applied physical sciences, biochemistry, bioinformatics, botany, chemistry, biomedical, environmental science, fire and safety, forensic science, filmmaking, geology, genetics, life sciences, mathematics, nautical science, physics, zoology. There are also degrees which are available at the micro level like astrophysics and so on. The entrance exams which are there at the national level for pure sciences include KVPY, that is the Kishore Vigyan Protsahan Yojana. There are few colleges which take students through JEE Main or JEE Advanced. Also, entry is available in pure sciences courses in few colleges through NEET. One can give the entrance exam NEST, NETST, BITSAT, NPAT, CMI, ISI, that the Indian Statistical Institute aptitude test, Christ University, Punjab Agriculture University, and so on. The eligibility criteria for most of these courses shall remain a combination of physics, chemistry, and biology, or a combination of physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And the professions which one can enjoy after finishing science could be becoming an anthropologist, a biochemist, a biophysicist, a biotechnologist, a botanist, chemist, forensic scientist, geologist. One can become a mathematician, microbiologist, physical scientist, physicist, research scientist, seismologist, statistician, or a zoologist. I hope this video gives you quite a lot of clarity for pure sciences in India. In case you have any questions, please feel free to write your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer. To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.